And welcome back. I'm that creative Mac. Apple reportedly placed an order for Apple Car self-driving chip. Less than a few days until Apple event invites come. And what could we get at the next Apple event? An iPhone 14 battery could improve because of a better 5G chip. Let's get started. Apple reportedly placed an order for Apple's car self-driving chip, according to the elect, who is only 71% accurate. Apple has contracted a Korean chip maker to manufacture the chip to use for the self-driving car. OCAT will not create the final chip, but it's for testing purposes. And here's the next story. What to come to the March 8th event, which is only in 2 weeks if we get the invites on March 1st, which is only a few days on Tuesday. For the iPhone SE, the only difference will be a 5G faster chip, an A14 chip, and an updated camera. For the iPad Air, we will see the same design, 5G, center stage, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide front camera, and an A14 chip. For the Mac Mini, we will see a redesigned Mac Mini with the M2 chip and a pixel glass-like top for the top. And for the MacBook Pro 13-inch, it's just gonna be the same design. It's gonna be low end, around $1,200, and with the M2 chip. I'm very excited for this event. These events aren't the greatest. Like, production-wise, they make it amazing, but my favorite events are the iPhone events from September, and then the October event. All those events are much better, but I'm very excited for the new Mac Mini. And for the Mac Mini, the others are gonna be the same. And lastly, the iPhone 14 battery could improve because of a better 5G chip. Apple is planning to put a significantly upgraded 5G chip inside the iPhone, according to Economic Daily News, who's 80% accurate according to Apple Track. The 5G chip will be manufactured by TSMC using a new 6nm processor that will result in the chip design to will consume less power. Wi-Fi 6E will also be supported on the new 5G chip. That means better battery, and the battery is gonna be the greatest from any iPhone, so no other iPhone will top it if this all goes as planned. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tech news.